Hey guys, what's going on? So, guess what? Today is my birthday! Happy birthday to me! So yeah, I just turned 18, and I'm an adult now, so yeah, I'm super excited about that. But yeah, so enough with that. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make this model I designed recently. Check it out. It is a Roblox box, and it's a Roblox on the underside of it, and on the inside, it is a nice box, see? And what I really like about it is that there's no flaps or anything in here, so it's nice and hollow. And yeah, you can put stuff inside. So yeah, alright, I'm going to show you guys how to fold it now. Here it goes. Alright, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Kami. And for clarity I'm going to use blue instead of red because blue is easier to see. So, but you might want to use red because Roblox things like this are red. So I'm going to use blue for clarity, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise, yeah, actually fold in half, yes, diagonally, sorry. Okay, and unfold, and fold in half this way. Okay, and now let's blend. So fold the four corners to the middle. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to decide how big or small you want the square of the Roblox to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to just pick a flap. I'm going to do this one first. So we're going to fold this up. And if you want the square to be big, fold it up more. But if you want a really small one, fold it up less. I'm just going to fold it up about that much. So a decent sized square. Okay, and then do that with the remaining three. Oh, and by the way, make sure that when you fold it up, make sure that this raw point aligns with that crease. And try and match what you did here too. Make them all the same. Okay, and I'm going to fast forward these other two. Alright, now unfold those. Okay, and now let's tuck them inside, so just mount and fold them on the existing creases. And here we have a Roblox, and we're done. Just kidding. Okay, so now we're gonna turn over, and we're gonna fold this edge to the middle crease, and try and hold it down firmly against the table, so that way this flap doesn't slide out. So just hold it down firmly and fold this edge to the middle. Alright, increase that sharply. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. So we're actually folding on that little white line. Okay, now unfold that. Now kind of lift this flap up and refold that, and then fold it down, and then fold it like that. Alright, that's what it looks like. Okay, and now repeat on this side. So fold this edge to this edge. And unfold it. And now lift the flap up partially, just enough so you can fold this in like that. And then fold it back down and fold it like that. Alright, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to do it with this edge, and this edge. So fold this edge to the middle, like this. Crease that nice and sharp. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Unfold it. And lift the edge up like this, and fold it, and fold it like that. Alright, and now rotate and do it again. So fold this edge to here. And then fold this like that. And unfold and lift here, fold that in, and fold it like that. Okay, now this point, just fold this point to the middle. Like this. So we make a crease in between these 2 points. Which will help us shape the box better. Keep that sharp. Okay, and now unfold. And now we're just gonna form the box now. So here we have the Roblox completed on this side, and now let's just open up the box. So unfold here, and pinch the corner right here. And then unfold here, and pinch on that fold. And then this one, fold, and like that. And voila! Here is our finished box, Roblox box. And here's the Roblox, and on this side, it's a nice box, and you can use it for memory cards or whatever you want. Put anything you want in there. Yeah. Or maybe if you make one smaller, you can probably use it as a gift box. You can probably put one inside the other. I'm gonna try and put this one inside, so let's see. Oh yeah. So we have like a 3D Roblox now. That's actually really cool. So yeah, use it as a gift. So put something in there and just close it up. See? Just like that. So alright, there is the Roblox box. So hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you're able to. And if you did manage to fold it, please make a demo of it. And once you made your demo, make a comment below and put the link to your demo in there so I can check it out. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.